a great choice today with the 2020 Toyota Camry Hybrid. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, CD player, security system, compass, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, leather seats, power driver's seat. Your new ride is just a phone call away.